How to fix liquid detected in lightning connector. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If your iPhone displays a liquid detection alert when connecting a lightning cable or accessory, then firstly you can go ahead and unplug everything immediately and don't attempt charging. Now, hold the iPhone with the connector facing downward and tap it softly against your hand to remove any extra liquid. Further, go ahead and place it in a dry, well ventilated area for at least 30 minutes, then try recharging. If the alert persists, then keep it drying for up to 24 hours and make sure to avoid drying it with heat, compressed air, or inserting objects like cotton swabs into the port, as these can cause irreparable damage. And if you need to charge in emergency, you can use emergency override when the alert appears, but only do so when absolutely necessary. And even when if there is no liquid involved, lint, debris, or condensation can trigger the alert, so you can use a plastic tool like a tooth flosser tip to gently remove buildup. Make sure to avoid metal picks. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix liquid detected in lightning connector. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.